Alright, YouTube, listen, it's gonna be a lot of people attempting to try to cut their own hair or having their significant other cut their own hair. Being that we are in quarantine, barbershops is not open, it's gonna get difficult for people to try to get their hair cut, so they're gonna try to experiment themselves. All right, listen up. I was on YouTube in the trending section and this video popped up. Now I played it a little bit, I saw it out, I was like, you know what, wait a minute, let me react to this. I haven't seen the outcome of this haircut and I just really want to see what it's gonna be like. All right, so without further ado, this video is called Gave My Boyfriend a Quarantine Haircut Gone Wrong. Okay, stay tuned. Alright, you guys, we are back. While we're not gonna watch the whole thing, intro's pretty long, so we're gonna hear what she has to say for the first couple of seconds, first couple of minutes of the video, and then we're gonna skip to the good part. All right, let's go.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, since all of us are currently on lockdown, we are in quarantine and we're just hanging out either at home, we're working from home, and a lot of guys currently cannot go to the barbershop. Right. So I decided to ask E if I can give him a haircut. Since he has not gotten a haircut in weeks, I just want to see how good of a barber I am. I want to see if I'll be able to give him haircuts in the future, and yeah, that way he won't ever have to go out and cut his hair because I could do it myself.
Okay, listen, hold on, wait a minute. Does she know how to cut hair though? That's the thing. Like, it doesn't sound like she knows how to cut hair or ever done it before, but let's see.
So today I'm going to learn how to cut my boyfriend's hair, but before we do get started on this video, I do want to quickly show you guys something really cool that I recently got. Okay, you guys, so I quickly changed shirt because I spilled coffee on it, so I had to change really quick, and now I have my client. Is that what you're right? Is that my first client and probably my only client? I think I'm gonna rate myself before I start cutting, and then I'll rate myself after. Your boyfriend. So I think I'm gonna, like, out of 10, I think I'm gonna give myself an 8.
Right now?
Before I start cutting your hair.
Maybe like a 5.
What is he looking down at?
And then I've seen videos on TikTok and YouTube how they cut hair.
My man.
To give him like a, is it a tape up or a fade?
All on camera though?
What's it called? A taper, a taper fade. I seen how they start doing it. So, well, you guys will see what I'm doing. And so I've seen a lot of videos on Instagram too. I search up some barbers and that's how they start off before they actually start like taping up like the hair. So I learned from Instagram and TikTok, and that's where I got my knowledge for cutting hair. So
hold on, wait a minute. No. You learned from Instagram and TikTok? That's too quick of a platform. You should have went to YouTube. TikTok, that's way too quick. You can't get information that quick. Hold on. All right, let's go.
That's what I'm gonna try and hopefully it works. But before, I'm gonna show you guys what I have. They're all like different sizes. And then I have the actual like razor, clipper, and then
look at him, he looking so confused, like I don't even know
I could take this off, and then there's also like a different size.
He looking like I don't even know what those things are. On the videos that I was looking at,
they don't specifically use like a bowl, but I am, so I could know how I'm cutting it and if I'm cutting it straight. So this is what I'm gonna use to make sure that I'm cutting it like straight.
No. Wait. 1 second. Wait. 1 minute. Wait. Hold on. No. She did not pull out the bowl. No.
Oh, I want it. So I think I'm gonna just start off with this one.
God, she pulled out a bowl
right here. I don't know what size this is.
Just so I can keep a straight line all the way around. She pulls out.
I'm gonna start off with the size 6. And what size do you usually get on your sides?
It kind of looked like he already got a cut though.
Probably won't do nothing.
So what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna try to trim it first, and then that's when I'm actually try to like do what I seen on like IG and all that. So.
Not IG. It's slight way look like he got a cut already. He already got a taper, already got a line.
Oh yeah, so this.
That bottom half look a little too bald for it not to have a haircut in a while.
I'm scared.
I'm scared for you. I promised him I wasn't gonna touch this. I'm not gonna trim it that far. I'm gonna just go from like right there. This looks easy.
I mean, he already got a cut though.
It isn't look that bad.
If she gives an all around bald fade,
not a lot, so
then I'll be like, okay.
Gives me room to
Alright.
play. With.
But if she try to finesse it and still keep that little taper, I don't know if I don't know if this is worthy of it.
Yeah, look, and it's right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but
No, you're supposed to.
okay, that's enough for trimming because I'm kind of scared.
Oh my god.
Just
I know I'll be
put
tempted
this
to blow on my
new
clippers,
one.
but
Okay, so
that
now
is
I'm gonna show
not.
you how I see how barbers do it, but they don't use this. I'm just using this because I don't know how to do a straight line. They obviously know what the fuck they're doing. I figured that a bowl was gonna help me like actually give them like a straight line for me to be able to see where I want to start.
You gotta think that when you're holding a bowl.
I don't know what to call it, but
I'm scared.
Cause his cut don't look that bad right now. This is.
Where do I start? And I want to give him like a perfect straight line so I know where to start feeding his hair.
No. Okay, she really giving him a cut. She really redoing his whole cut. Golly.
Do you feel it hurting his skin or no?
I feel it cutting.
Golly, that first guideline is not it. It is not it. That is not the shape that you want. You kind of want it to come down a little bit, like not from here straight back.
You can look at me.
That's why the bowl isn't.
I'm scared. Let's move like.
Golly, he had a nice cut too.
I'm gonna give you the perfect fade. Fade. Oh yeah, I'm gonna give him the perfect taper.
No, it's a fade. Golly, this hurts. I remember I did my wifey cut challenge. I tried to keep it as basic as possible. But this here, I couldn't have got no fade.
Like.
I think this is how they do it. Oh my god, you just have a lot of hair on you. So this is like, so you get to see what I'm talking about.
Oh hell no! Whoa! Golly! Dang! I mean, what did you expect? Come on, man. What did you expect?
What does it look like? I can look at it?
No. I need to fade it.
Why are you laughing?
Wait, babe, how do I fade this? Wait, let me...
How do I fade this? Oh snap! She is.
Like, how do I...
Like,
wait,
you go harder. You go harder.
What clipper do I use to like...
The skinny one.
What? Dang! Now she asking questions. I would be so paranoid right now. I would be like, nah. Let me look.
I'm scared. I don't know if I should keep going.
Put my shit in.
She did though. I mean, but it's the first guideline though. You could recover from this.
I do see that they move on to bigger clips.
But you gotta make that bald.
Yeah, like the harder you press down, the more.
You gotta make the bottom half completely bald though if you're gonna do this. But why don't you just follow the IG steps? If you saw it on IG, why don't you just follow the steps? That's what I don't get right now. She should have went to YouTube and just had a YouTube video playing, cutting his hair.
It's not working. Like, how do I even out the hair? So your hair won't look like too short.
Oh my god, now she's asking questions to somebody that
like
is
you
not.
push down harder.
You
If
sure?
you want less hair. And then
He
like
might be a
lighter,
barber. He act like
then
he giving her the right information.
Like downwards or upwards?
Like this.
Like
Like
this?
this. Like this one more arm. Like this is the bottom, you go hard, and then you get lighter and lighter and lighter.
Oh, okay.
Snap. He look like he know what he talking about though.
I go harder and then lighter.
Yeah.
Bro, this is not looking good.
This is a lot harder than what it looks like on video.
Because you're not really committing though at all.
So before you guys judge my haircut, I'm gonna just try to fade it how they do it, and then yeah, I promise you guys I'm gonna fix it. Watch. Well, this is what they do, so I haven't even ruined it.
Oh, you ruined it.
Let me just try to. I'm even doing it.
Golly, what kind of cut is that? That is the highest taper in the back. If she don't fade it all the way around,
Really shaking.
I know, I'm scared.
this is making me like.
This
This make me want to like get over there and bump her out the way real quick. Take the clippers and fade it up myself. That's what that makes me want to do. Like, no, don't do this to my man. Don't do it to him. Listen, no, please hand me the clipper. Hand it over. Hand it. That's how I'm feeling right now. It's just kind of like cringy.
Let me know
So
what you think.
yeah,
Let me know what you
he's
think.
so scared. I know he wants to.
But
God damn. Look how he turned around like, what?
3.5.
It's harder than what it looks like. Should I fix it?
No.
What should I do? Should I keep going? No.
No. Like,
He's
I
done.
just stop.
ask them what they think.
Let us know what you guys
Oh
think.
my God.
Are you still giving me a 5?
Hell
It's
no.
because I swear it looks a lot easier how they do it. Like,
I'm gonna just keep trying, but I'm gonna just keep trying off camera and then see how that works out.
He is trying to. He is hecka trying to play it off,
but that's
bro.
how
This
I'm leave
is
it
the worst.
for now. But yeah, you guys, that is it for today's video.
Oh
I don't think I'm doing the $100 giveaway anymore. I think I'm gonna have to give it to him so he can go to a barber to get his hair fixed. And I'm just kidding. I am still doing the $100 giveaway. All you have to do is just comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. This is the final product. And it's like I give you
Golly.
freaking designs.
That is the highest taper.
I still think it look cute.
That is not a fade. That is not a taper. I don't know what that is. That is that. I don't know. That's an epic fail too. That's just horrible. I'm gonna be honest with you. You tried. I give it to you. I can't even give you. I was gonna say I'll give you a thumbs up for trying, but I'm not gonna do that. I gotta take the thumbs back. I gotta take my thumbs back. The effort that you put in, I felt like was minimal. You grabbed the bowl. Like, no, like you should have just went on YouTube and looked at the tutorial and just followed the tutorial instead of grabbing the bowl. For one, you did not see that on TikTok. You did not see that on Instagram. Anybody grabbing a bowl. And she was like, you know what? To make this line straight, I'm gonna grab a bowl. That's where you went wrong. That's where you went wrong. If you would have just looked at a tutorial, you would have did a better job. Trust me. All right. But hey, nice try. It really isn't a nice try though. I'm trying to say anything positive to you right now, but I can't find the beautiful channel. Okay, beautiful channel. Love your channel. Your channel. You're coming up. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Listen, to all you guys out there that's hurting as far as, you know, getting their haircut. Listen, I'm thugging it out with y'all. I got my hair. I don't got a haircut. You know what I mean? I'm looking bad out here too. So don't trip. We ain't got nowhere to go. Okay, we basically staying at home. So yeah. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Make sure you hit that notification button. That way it'll notify you when I drop my videos. Make sure you hit the subscribe button again. Otherwise, it's your boy 360 Jeezy, and I'm out. Peace.